It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, streaming video feed rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.